In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide layers in Draw.io for Confluence. If you use layered Venn diagrams to present different versions, audiences, or stages of a process, hiding layers is a clean way to control exactly what viewers see without deleting anything. Think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Turn one off and everything on that sheet disappears from view, but it's still safely in your file. First, head into Confluence and open the page that contains your diagram. Enter editing mode so you can work on the diagram itself. From there, open the diagram in the Draw.io editor. You should be looking at the canvas with your shapes, connectors, and toolbars. If you don't see the diagram editor yet, make sure you've clicked into the diagram macro so it opens in edit mode rather than just viewing it on the page. Next, bring up the Layers panel. In the Draw.io editor, there's a Layers icon that looks like a stack of squares. Clicking that opens the panel. If you prefer menus, you can also open it from the View menu. The Layers panel will appear, usually on the right side, listing each layer in your diagram in the order they're stacked. This is your control center for visibility. Now, let's hide a layer. In the Layers panel, each layer has an eye icon next to its name. Click the eye once to hide that layer. The icon changes to indicate it's invisible, and everything on that layer instantly disappears from the canvas. Click the eye again to show the layer and bring those elements back. This toggle doesn't delete or lock anything. It only affects what's visible right now and what will be visible when the diagram is displayed or exported. It's a quick, non-destructive way to tailor your diagram for a meeting, a handout, or a stakeholder review. If your diagram has multiple layers, you can selectively toggle several off to isolate just the content you want to present. A helpful tip is to give layers clear names as you build diagrams, so you always know exactly what you're hiding or showing. After you change visibility, take a quick look at the canvas to confirm the result, especially around overlapping shapes or labels that might sit on different layers. That's all there is to it. Open your diagram in Confluence, open the Layers panel, and use the eye icon to hide or show entire layers. With this approach, you can present the right information at the right time, without duplicating files or risking accidental deletions.